Fine, thanks. Doing good. Ah, there's the ramen right here, guys. Right here. Torture. The torture device for tonight. Not prepared for this, guys. And it's even extra potent because it expired last week. Look, it expired last week. So it's extra potent. It has that expired feeling. It says here, spiciest ramen in the world. It says, that's what it says. Spiciest ramen in the world. It's made with the Californian Reaper? Yeah.
12 seconds later.
This spicy. It smells nice. This is what it looks like inside. Here's a warning sign. The spiciest ramen in the world. Look at that. Oh. Oh no. Oh yeah. Look at the color of this thing, guys. Look at this. Look at this color. It's blood red. This thing looks deadly, bro. Oh. You guys go? Can you see this? Can you see this? Here's your ramen.
2 hours later.
Nice. It doesn't smell bad. Alright, awesome. So it's now in emote mode. So now you guys can't see anything. Nice. But it tastes what? Oh, I can't. I have to eat some. I have to drink some milk. Oh.
I think that you should let it burn.
This is hot. Oh shit. Ah. Oh my god. Oh. It's the between bites. It's between eating the noodles. That's the problem. Oh. It's so hot. I still have to finish it. Almost done though. Oh my god. Soup is actually nice. There you go, guys. All done. Oh my god.